Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a nighttime clean with me. So this is really just the bare minimum nighttime cleaning that I do just right before I'm about to go upstairs to go to bed after I put my daughter to sleep. So it usually just consists of pretty much dishes because at this time I'm pretty much spent from the day of working and doing dinner, or like if we had activities or went over to someone else's house that evening. I feel really tired at the end of the day. And I think this was on a Wednesday, so it was in the middle of the week too. So we've already kind of had a lot. And we have been sick again. And so right now I'm just going to, as you saw, I cleaned out my dish strainer, and then I am going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher because I ran it the night before and never had time during the evening to unload it. So I'm going to unload that really quick, and then I'm going to load it back up with all the dishes that I have in the sink and finish up those. And then I'm also just going to do a little bit of cleanup on one of my counters. So, like I said, I'm cleaning up one of the counters, and then I also forgot that I needed to pack my daughter's lunch. So, I also have that in here. So, I went ahead and grabbed her lunchbox, and I don't carry or like have a lot of lunch items, you could say, in my house. I just kind of buy like the regular stuff that I have. So I typically give her lunch meat. She doesn't really eat sandwiches. And so I feel like it's really hard to find options for her that she can eat that like don't have to stay like super cold or don't have to be heated up. And she doesn't really eat bread. So I'm just looking at the turkey. It had like some pink or like reddish pink spots on it. So I'm not sure if that is all right. I'm not really sure, but to be honest with you, she didn't even end up eating this. I ended up throwing it away just because she was sick the next day and I forgot to put it back in the fridge. But anyway, I'm just packing that all up and getting it ready for her for the next day. I usually do meat. So I did the turkey, I did a pickle, and then I did some Oreos, a fruit cup, and a Capri Sun. And then I think I did a couple carrot sticks. But I feel like school lunches are really difficult. I have a really hard time finding things that are somewhat healthy. And I obviously can't monitor what she eats first. So she usually comes home with like the vegetable that she didn't eat. So I just feel like that sometimes is really hard. So now that I'm done with packing her lunch, I'm just going to clean up a few things on the counter, and that's pretty much it. And after this, I am ready to go to bed. I am going to clean out my sink a little bit just because this is pretty gross from the cup that I cleaned out, and I don't really like to have food or any kind of stains in my sink. So there's a couple left, but I went and dumped that out. And this is the end result. Just got the dishes done and packed the lunch. Hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.